I was just flying around in the chopper. Was about to go park at home and do some hunting with my crossbow and ghillie suit. Oh, we don't want to do that. And look what I stumbled across. We've got us a heli crash. So, let's go investigate the heli crash. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got here. If we can manage to land without dying. Helicopters are very unpredictable. I generally don't recommend them. Here I am flying around in one. Ha ha ha. Oh, they're just super finicky. Oh, wrong key. Please don't let me die. Please don't let me die. Come on. Shh. I need to fix that. Okay, come on. This could be a little scary getting out of here, but hey, whatever. We're here. Let's go check it out. Switch. No. I'm glitching here. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, come on, computer. You're killing me here. Wow. He just took a beating. Not sure why I can't switch to my guns. There we go. Jiminy Christmas. Hit tab and it wouldn't tab and I panicked. Oh my goodness, this is ridiculous. There more? Wow, this is a bad idea. Almost dead. But that was cool. Oh, there. That should be it. Pretty messed up though. I had to. Dang. Whew. Better be some good stuff here. Barbed wire? Really? Tanker helmet, ammo box. What the hell's barbed wire doing here? Do tactical vest. What do we got there? Oh, that's salt pack. Can't really carry much. I almost out of bullets. I don't really want that. Oh, definitely want that. Alright. That was an awesome near-death experience. Not sure why I didn't use my crossbow. Dang. You guys are nothing to cut down a tree with. That is very unfortunate. See how this goes. Awesome. Helicopters do not like taking off from angled surfaces. Alright. Let's go ahead and head over to home base. Somewhere over there. Hidden in the trees. Run, Forrest, run. Chill here for a second. Alright guys, gonna gear up with some more stuff and yeah. I need to be able to fix those. It won't let me repair those for some reason. It's a little glitchy. Really hoping to land over here and hear, man. I'm really bad at cooking my food. I'm always eating canned stuff. Oh yeah, check out the arsenal. We had a drop earlier today. Drenched in, boy, it is raining. Yeah, M79. Might do some bear hunting later with that one. M79 bear hunting. See if we can crash the server. M72 Law. Yeah. We're gonna take that with us. I wanna know where the hell I'm at. Need to find a gun to put that bad boy on. It's oh, there we go. Nice, nice. Wouldn't let me do it earlier today. It's just being a little glitchy. I guess sometimes you just gotta be a little patient. Good old, DayZ. Is it just totally quiet in here? Oh, it's all gone. Alright, guys. Till next time. Ta-ta.